Okay, internet. This is the Benelli Imperiale 400 and I bought EBC brakes. And the EBC brakes from the internet is not fitting. I went to the EBC website. Okay, now I take them out. One. That's one. And that's two. Okay. Okay, what I did here is I draw for everybody to understand. So it is FA196HH. That is of course the top one by the internet, but maybe because these bikes are made in China, you can clearly see 1, 2 that it's not fitting. So the back one, the rear wheel, they fit. Okay, so I'm running the EBC rear one. So now I don't have any option but put them back. The old one, as you can see, that's one. Keep them in there, into the latch, and that's the second one, and then the pin. Okay. The bike not even have 1000 kilometers, but I like good brakes. That's why normally I run Lindals on my Victory. I run Lindals. They're super good, but they don't make these brake pads for the Benellis, so that's why. Okay, thank you. Just to understand. Okay, what a beautiful little bike this is. The Imperiale 400 Benelli.